This race day replay is brought to you by BMR, the leader in American muscle suspension. Dominate your competition.
All right, here we got Jerry Bird over in the right lane in the probe. They're Bird boys. Bird's the word. And we got Kye Kelley, that big Musey motor over in the left lane. Gonna be a race right here. All right, here we go. Jerry Bird over in the right lane. Kye Kelley in the left. First generation probe over the right lane. Mike said that's a first generation probe. I'm telling you, they wasn't but one generation probe because they suck. But anyway, third generation Camaro over in the left lane. Both of them big block nitrous powered. Looked like we had a double up, but I think that was a crew member stepping in. Here we go. One's in, the other one's in. We got a drag race broke out right here. Who's going to take the win? Left lane, Kye Kelley. Kye Kelley turned that Moosey power on. That high gear is a mother you know what over in the left lane.